island was power's out totally on the island. Winds have died down. They're currently about 30-35 miles an hour gusts and rain. Over. I beg your pardon one more time.
I was in Ponce.
Yeah, go ahead. If the station that could hear him better, go ahead and take the question.
No, the report was from Ponce on the south side. The information he just gave you was for Ponce. We did have Nancy or Whiskey Papa 3 Zulu Zulu about 20 miles west of San Juan check in. Says no power, no phone, no internet. Two AM radio stations on. Lots of rain, lots of water, lots of destruction. That's all we have from the north side. Over.
QSL, thank you. And Pete, go ahead and put out a call, please.
Okay. Anybody in the affected area, if you have traffic emergency, priority, or welfare traffic, please call November 8 Papa Radio. Anybody copying, please call N8PR. Anybody with traffic out of the affected area, any of the islands down there, anybody with any kind of traffic needs us to help them, we'd be glad to do it. Please call November 8 Papa Radio. Nothing heard.
QSL, this is K7HIL. Net control for the Saturn net. That's the Salvation Army Team Emergency Radio Network net. We are currently monitoring this frequency for any traffic regards Hurricane Maria affected areas. If you have any traffic for the net or need assistance, please call now. The net will now remain silent for a few minutes and listen for anyone who has traffic or otherwise needs assistance. K7H.